Come test drive the 2024 Corsair. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. Your new ride is just a phone call away.